Stop. If you are thinking about buying ChannelAgent, you need to watch this first. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2026, there's something you need to know first. Because right now, most people are trying to build faceless YouTube channels, and they're failing. Not because YouTube doesn't work, but because the process is brutally hard. Scripting, editing, voiceovers, thumbnails, SEO, it's basically a full-time job. And that's exactly why 97% of people quit within 30 days. But what if you could skip all of that? Today, I'm reviewing a brand new AI tool called ChannelAgent that claims to build, run and monetize an entire YouTube channel with just one click. No filming, no editing, no experience. Sounds crazy, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you what ChannelAgent actually is, how it works, the real pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth your money, or just hype. Also, if you decide to get ChannelAgent through my link, I've included exclusive bonuses worth over $2,000 plus to help you scale faster and actually make money with this. Check the link in the description to claim them. What is ChannelAgent? ChannelAgent is a fully autonomous AI agent that builds your entire YouTube channel for you, and I mean everything. From niche research, script writing, voiceovers, video creation, thumbnails, SEO, uploading and monetization. All done automatically, with one click. In fact, it uses multiple AI agents working together to handle the entire process for you. Benefits, why people are interested. Now here's why people are getting excited about this, because this solves the biggest problems beginners face. No skills required, no time investment, no expensive freelancers and no tech headaches. Instead of spending weeks creating one video, you can create 10, 30 or even 100 videos in one go, and the biggest benefit? You can build multiple YouTube channels at scale, which means more views, more traffic, more income. Inside, what you get. Inside ChannelAgent, you get access to AI niche research engine, finds profitable niches, script generator, high retention scripts. AI voiceover system, human-like voices, video creator, full production with B-roll and subtitles, thumbnail generator, high center thumbnails. SEO optimizer, titles, tags, descriptions, auto-publisher, uploads directly to YouTube, and monetization engine, adds affiliate links and ads. Basically, it replaces an entire YouTube team with AI. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: 100% automation, huge time saver, beginner friendly, no monthly fees, can scale multiple channels and built-in monetization. Cons: not instant money, you still need consistency, AI content may need slight tweaks for best results and requires strategy for long-term growth. Results: what to expect. Now let's talk about results. ChannelAgent claims you can launch a full channel with 30 videos in under 60 minutes, start getting views within days and monetize through ads, affiliate links and CPA. Some users report earning $1,000 plus per month and even $4,000 plus from client work. But remember, this is not a magic button. You still need to pick the right niche, stay consistent and optimize over time. Now here's where it gets really interesting. If you grab ChannelAgent through my link, you'll unlock these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. $0 to $5,000 month YouTube monetization blueprint. Worth $497. Step-by-step roadmap to go from 0 subscribers to your first $5,000 per month. Bonus 2 to 100 done for you high CPM channel niches. Worth $297. Proven niches with CPM data plus ready-to-use prompts. Bonus 3. YouTube affiliate goldmine. Worth $397. High-paying affiliate programs plus ready-made templates. Bonus 4. Agency Client Closer Pack, worth $497, land $1,000 to $2,000 clients with scripts and AMP, outreach systems. Bonus 5. Faceless Channel Growth Accelerator, worth $297, advanced scaling strategies for passive income. Total bonus value, $2,000 plus. So, is ChannelAgent worth it? If you want a done-for-you YouTube automation system, if you're a beginner with no skills and if you want to scale multiple channels, then yes, this is one of the most powerful tools right now. But, if you're expecting instant results without effort, this is not for you. If you want to get started, click the link in the description below, grab ChannelAgent, and don't forget, use coupon code CAT300FF to get your 30% early bird discount. Plus, claim all your bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.